up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So right now my G's, as you see the setup, you don't know say it's a reaction video. Today me have a next reaction video I bring to you because I don't say yo, you really support the reaction video segment to me I try do for the channel. Cause as me said, me I mix up the channel, so me I do everything basically upon the channel here. So that's why me even stop naming the vlog them. If you no look, you probably see say me stop say vlog 1, vlog 2, vlog 3. Probably me stop do that from probably around 3-4 months ago. You know what I mean? Because my channel is just everything. You know what I mean? It's just everything FamousSosick. So right now we're gonna do a reaction video and see what can go on. You know what I mean? Cause we just have to jump right into it and see what this is about. Alright? Mad move. Dirt bike. Hold on, a shark them there. Dog, you better swim full. No, yo, mother run pan water top. Mother run pan water top. Watch out. Hold on, a whale. Oh, a whale. You think a shark? I could swear think a shark like while. Come here, say them they dead. Watch out, drop back on him. Watch out, watch out. Brother, why you the one even attempt to jump that? Why? Who bet the brother or something? Yo, the brother they lucky coil, man just a walk on. Watch this a brother here. Watch this a brother here. He now watch where crane are going. Watch out, watch out. Straight in the head. Kill him. Straight in the head and
Oh my God!
Yo, he fly like wild. Bomba. Make sure you guys go to the subscribe section. It only take a second. Literally. Yo, me not like bike, you know. Come on, nearly kill the bicycle, man. Yes, sir. Hey, hey. Watch out, hey. Watch out, watch out. Yo, it's a cow save him, you know?
Oh my God.
Why people, watch out. Damn. Yeah, it's sweet, yo. Cause nothing not me sweet, you know. But the boat not have brakes. Boat not have brakes. Watch out. Suppose let that slide back down the way. Watch out. Same thing as me say it happen. Watch out. Watch out. A goat mouth me have. Watch out. Watch out. You don't know say them something we cut off your head, yo. Watch out. What kind of mad helicopter that? Watch out, this brother, you now look G. You're walking out. Watch out. Yo, this come give me a heart attack. Yo, oh, something just go on so quick. Suppose you can't find a place to come up back now. You see, he swim past it now. In dead. In dead. In dead now, you know. In dead now, you know. Watch out. In last. Watch out, in dead. Watch out. In dead. He not dead. He almost dead. Man, nearly can't kill him man with the gravel truck, man. The other video they created, look at him. This man is suicidal. You better run back. Watch out, Jesus Christ, in lucky. Oh my God. Where train there? Not train ever. Jesus! Mommy, watch a bike. Well, boy, me no like bike. Dog, the snow they could have shelling cranium, me no could have bombard. Yo, the car glass machine. Watch out. Yo, the driver just jump out. The driver just jump out. Damn. Brother, you know see Chuck? Watch. Oh shit, I Chuck, I go kill him. Puppy tail. Yo, in lucky. What is that brother I look for? Why you climb up there? So why am I? Watch out. Mash up a whole lot of place, watch him. Oh, I see the video already. What in the heck? You're lucky here. See the video already.
What the f?
What do you say no? Oh, somebody gets stuck in that road? Oh, they chop, they don't see it well on. Wow. Me not understand how me just watch the call. Oh Lord God. The man kill a bird. Watch out. It was at this moment he knew.
I mean, you can do it.
I'm like how them friend always boost them up, you know.
So happy Valdez is there.
Alright, yes. Watch your bicycle gone. Watch out.
The bike. No. We have the video, eh?
The man who talk about the bike, I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it for the video. As me said, the video was nice. Me not gonna lie, the video, it was a nice video. Me not lie, me want to get some more like this, the video. Me enjoy doing the video. I'm hoping you enjoy me enjoying the video. You know what I mean? Alright, so as me say, remember, like, share, subscribe, and always leave a comment if I've even right first. Me respect them people because them take time out of them days fi come right first, you know what I mean? Although me go start right first when the first of my video them. As me post the video them, me go just start right first. So only stop right first. But as me say, big up my G's them. Update, I'm gonna update. Last night we on Chabas, Chabas shoot a short film last night film channel that will come out probably this week. It probably will come out tomorrow. Cause today Thursday, so Friday probably will come out Friday. In my edit it today. So we'll do that last night and we'll drop that Friday. Or whichever day Chabas decide to drop that. But me I shoot my own probably Friday. Me shoot my own. Me no script out my one yet because last night me and Lucian did a talk and me basically want to know what I'm comfortable at do and what I'm comfortable no one do. You know what I mean? So me can actually write a script perfect for film character. You know what I mean? So yeah, adjust that and me go do that today. So after me edit the video and upload it, me go write the script there. Cause today Thursday, tomorrow Friday. So it only makes sense me edit the video, upload it, and write a script for shoot tomorrow. So me can either post it Sunday or Monday. You know what I mean? So as me tell you before, you know, me I bring one of thing to the channel. Yeah. Short film or one of them I bring to the channel. So Chabas do a short film last night. Him I go drop that either tomorrow or weekend, and me I go do a short film. Well, tomorrow me I start shoot my short film. So one can look out for that in a couple of years time. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're there and we are doing it. Up it in my G's. Blessings and respect again for come out. And if you don't want more reaction videos, just remember me on the talk in the comment section. Just say more reaction video, because I actually enjoy the one that is fun. The one here, a whole heap of craziness I go on in the one here. If you no go back and rewatch this, you not go see say yo the one here a baiting going in this. So yeah, as me say, big up my G's them, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect for the support and the love and all of them good something to remember if you always leave a like and always leave a comment, you know what I mean? They support me. So big up on yourself, up it, mad move.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.